What does he say?
Yeah.
Very intelligently, he says, show us a Quran which does not have 114 surahs. Now that's a reasonable point to make, and I will show him.
That's right.
I will show him the Qurans that do not have 114 surahs. So, and to do that, thankfully, I don't even depend on a Christian source. I depend on the Mickey Mouse Masers. You know, now people might be familiar with Dawa Mafia Gang ringleader Maser. I am going to depend on his own source. So, my dear friend Abdul Rahman, please look at this. This is Islamic awareness. No. This is Islamic awareness website.
In Greek.
The gentleman asked me. One second.
The praised one.
One second. No, one second. One second. Different. Just one second. So, just one second. So, Abdul Rahman wanted the evidence for the Qurans with not 114 surahs. I can give him a number of evidence points. Which one would you like? You can choose, my dear friend. Would you like to look at manuscript OR 2165, which is one of the earliest Quranic manuscripts, has nothing more than about 20 surahs.
Go to the museum.
Would you like to see?
Go to the museum of Birmingham.
Please
You're gonna
listen.
Listen.
Sure.
You listen now.
Yeah, thank you.
Go to the museum in Birmingham. There is original copy closest time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Sure.
114. No, you can't say.
One second.
I came to
So my dear Abdul Rahman has advanced the conversation. What does he recommend that I do?
Yeah.
He recommends that I go to Birmingham. I'm assuming he's talking about what is called Birmingham manuscript.
Yes. No,
And he says to find the evidence for 114 surahs, go to Birmingham. And let us say, thankfully, because we have the internet today, I don't even have to go to Birmingham. I can actually access the information that he wants me to access from my home, which I have done. There is an Islamic scholar called Abda Fedeli who has researched this. She has done a PhD thesis. Excuse me, sir. Abdul Rahman. How many surahs are there in the Birmingham manuscript?
When I ask you, after you ask me, you ask
Sure. One second. But please listen. You said for 114 surahs, I need to go to Birmingham manuscript. I go to Birmingham manuscript. I don't find 114 surahs. Do you know how many surahs are there in that manuscript?
Yes, 114, yes.
In Birmingham manuscript, 104. Would you like to look at the manuscript?
He doesn't want me to ask any question, drag another question, and that's how it goes. So we cannot ask any question, we have to answer his questions.
That's the idea of a question.
No.
When you ask a question, the idea is, I'm assuming this gentleman knows something about Islam. I'm assuming he is going to give an answer. Please let me repeat the question I asked first. Give me evidence for why the early Quran and 114 surahs. Now clearly he doesn't need a walking stick. I don't know why he carries a walking stick. Maybe it is to assault others like he has done in the past. I don't know why he does this. But clearly he can even dance without a walking stick. So I'm assuming if he does anything funny with his walking stick today, it might be with a malicious intent. So question to you,
Changing
does the Birmingham manuscript attest to a 114 chapter Quran?
Can I speak now? Let him speak. When you claim something to challenge, bring us a different copy than the one you're handling now, which contains maybe 106 surahs. Bring me something. I don't count on your phone. Give me something in hand. You came to bring a challenge. Show it. You are requested to prove what you have.
So are you.
All right, my dear friends, Abdul Rahman is intellectually actually challenge?
Can I bring it now?
One second, please. One second.
Who says
One
you
second.
have
One second.
different copy of
All right, Abdul Rahman.
Let me present it.
He's
is
looking for a way to run away. Abdul Rahman asked me to show him. If anyone can see better than Abdul Rahman, I don't know how much good his eyesight is. Please look at this, my dear friends. Birmingham manuscript. For anyone who wants to see, especially young people, look at this. Birmingham manuscript. So Birmingham manuscript, please see. Birmingham manuscript. Let me read 1 second.
What's the problem?
What are the contents of Birmingham manuscript?
Okay.
Parts of Surah 19 and Surah 20.
Okay.
Not even two complete surahs,
I saw it.
but only.
I saw it by video. I swear by God. The whole
I know. You can.
Quran.
Yeah, sure. You can swear. You can swear by clearly. You are a young man, sir. You can see
I'm
properly.
going to Mr. He's
Yeah.
going to serve.
Sure.
He's going to
Don't touch it. Don't touch me. Thank you. You are a young man. Can you read that?
No. Let your
How many can read the text here?
Let your
Don't. You're coming to no. Please.
Let your
No. Please. Last time you showed up at Speaker's Corner, you ended up assaulting someone and running away. So if you can please stay there, I'm wary of you dancing in front of me, especially with the walking stick.
You're running away.
Look at this gentleman. The last time he showed up here, JC, including you here, he ended up assaulting you, using his walking stick as an excuse, while he clearly can dance without the walking stick. So now, for anyone who can read this, now, please read. For anyone with a pair of eyes or even one eye, you can read that. What does that say? What is the title? Birmingham Quran manuscript. Can you see that? Lovely. So this gentleman is now beginning to learn for the first time in his life. Now let me read. My dear friend, can you see this? Contents, CONTENTS. No, him he is confused. I don't know what's wrong with him. Contents. What does the Birmingham manuscript have? Contents, you sir, can you read that? What does it say? Parts of? No, please read that. What are the contents there? Can you read?
No, can I speak?
No, you said if there is evidence for anything 114, so don't touch me, please. Please. Don't.
Now, talking about manuscripts,
Yeah.
this is another topic. It can't be here. We have nothing here, and we came.
No, I have something here. It's here.
Can I speak?
Sure, you can.
Please let me make my point. Please give me a break, will you?
Please get on. Please.
Thank you. You know, if you speak calmly, okay, intellectually,
Please, let's begin doing that. I've been doing that from your side. That hasn't been happening. So if you please get to the point right now.
My point is, we talk about the basics of the belief between Christianity and Islam.
There we go.
Okay.
So you're not going to talk about the manuscripts and 114
You don't have
surahs?
something available between hands.
Okay, look at this gentleman. I told all of you he's confused. He is saying we don't have anything. Now I'll show you. Does anyone believe in a mobile phone? Anyone? Any Muslim, sir?
I believe in Samsung.
Right.
I don't like iPhone.
Yeah, he doesn't like iPhone. Here, I have a mobile phone in my hand. He says we have nothing.
Wow.
I'd like to tell him we have something here. It's called a mobile phone.
Okay.
Really?
And in my mobile phone, I have 5G internet connection. So I can pull up documents which he can peruse today.
Is Jesus
So look at that. You mentioned
Jesus
Birmingham.
God?
1 second, sir. Look at him, Abdul Rahman, run away. My dear friends, excuse me, sir. Please. How many of you heard that our friend Abdul Rahman here said, look at Birmingham manuscript for 114 surahs. 1, 2, 3. At least a few people heard this. And so let me ask you, sir.
Jesus God? Is Jesus God?
Answer, yeah.
Is Jesus God?
Yes or no?
How old are you, sir? How old are you?
Answer about
He doesn't remember how old he is. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Excuse me, sir. Are you a learned person in Islam?
Born in 1957. I was born. Just like Jesus was born. Jesus was born.
Excuse me, sir. Too much waffling, not dealing with knowledge. So you said, one second. Let let the elderly gentleman speak once. So you said, sir,
I was
that
born-
Birmingham manuscript I can go
He's
to
turning to the manuscript.
114 surahs.
Jesus God.
You said,
Is Jesus God?
are you going to talk about the manuscript at some stage?
Jesus, God.
You see, my dear friends, we will move on right now. But you see the state, you were here before, my dear friend. Do you see the state of Islamic scholarship at Speaker's
He is
Corner?
ashamed to say Jesus
For a
God.
brief moment, he thought he
is
can get
ashamed.
away
You
lying.
are ashamed.
But the moment he was caught,
You are
now
ashamed.
he has retracted the
Ashamed. You are ashamed. You are ashamed. You are ashamed. Is Jesus God?
Look at these fellows.
Look at the
They have shown up at Speaker's Corner.
Hello, Mr.
Are you learned? Thank you. Thank you very much. Everyone, please, all cameras capture all of these people. If you want to ask anyone a question at Speaker's Corner, please avoid these fellows. All of these. None of these have a clue. None of these want to learn.
No, we don't want to learn.
You are a Muslim, my dear friend. Now, hey, you please come in. You look like Zakir Naik last week. Now, what has happened to you? Please come in. Please come in. What is the evidence? You please come in, sir, please.
Coming.
Hey, this is not a clown show. Just because he has shown up here, you think it's a clown show? Please come. Now, to you, my dear friend, do you have any evidence to suggest there is a... Is that your brother?
No, I just don't.
Oh yeah, we're Muslim, we are brother and sisters. Yeah.
So one second, my dear friend.
Our sister there.
In the UK we have... My dear friends, my dear friends, in the UK, we have a serious issue.
What is it?
One of the serious issues, my dear friends,
He's asking what is it?
please, everyone pay attention. One of the serious issues we have in the UK
What is it?
is with integration of the Muslims. They refuse, please listen, they refuse to integrate in the UK. And I have evidence for that happening
Is Jesus God?
even at Speaker's Corner.
Jesus God.
I comment to you, my dear friend. If you want to integrate in our nation, you must be listening and responding. You can't just say, look, I'm going to isolate. That's the very definition. Say again.
I don't want to discuss this.
Yeah,
Sure. Can I please, my YouTube channel is called Operation Stephen.
I'm here.
Stephen with the PH. Online, Thursdays, 6 p.m. London time, we do live stream. I invite you to join the live stream. You can be anonymous. You can even change your voice to some male voice if you like. But you can show up. You can show up not necessarily this Thursday, maybe a couple of weeks from now, and you can engage in a conversation.
He wants to answer.
This gentleman doesn't have a clue. All of these fellows.
He wants to answer.
No.
He wants to answer.
I tried multiple times. Thank you very much. We're going. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you. This man is putting me under false arrest right now. This one. Thank you.